Long Beach Kelvin, Cessna 2030 Charlie, taxi from 732 right, go traffic with Kelvin.
Number 2030 Charlie, Long Beach clearance, contact ground.
Contact ground, 30 Charlie. Long Beach ground, Cessna 2030 Charlie, taxi from 732 right, go traffic with Kelvin.
Cessna 2030 Charlie, Long Beach ground, safe position.
7
Number 2030 Charlie, runway 25 right, taxi via Bravo Kilo, hold short, correction, Foxtrot, Bravo Kilo, hold short, runway 30.
Taxi via Bravo Kilo, hold short, runway 30 Charlie. Regular traffic approved, runway 25 right, here, Foxtrot, 30 Charlie.
Never.
Number 30 Charlie, runway 25 right, cleared for takeoff.
Here for takeoff, 25 right, 30 Charlie.
Number 87, Quebec reset, squawk VFR, frequency change.
Full power. Toyota.
Catalina 88, base approved, runway 30, cleared line.
Catalina 30, Catalina.
Pure Snake, the white water. West
November 30 Charlie, turn crosswind, I will call your base.
Crosswind, call me base, 30 Charlie.
Number 30 Charlie, follow the Cessna just ahead and to your right. Number 2, runway 25 right, quick to the option.
Number 2, 25 right, here for the option.
Clear for the option.
Following anyone? 25 right, clear for the option.
Number 30 Charlie, runway 25 right, clear for the option. Number 2.
Number 2, 25 right, here for the option, 30 Charlie.
November 30 Charlie, turn base over the 605.
Turn base 605, 30 Charlie.
November 5 November Hotel, stay parking.
Ross.
November 30 Charlie, runway 25 right, clear to land, hold short of runway 30 for departing traffic.
Runway 25 right, hold short, runway 30.
Helicopter 7 Echo Romeo, downwind approved, hold east of the field. Airport Echo, Roger, are you declaring an emergency?
Yes,
November 4 Echo, Roger, how many people are on board? How many people? November 4 Echo, thanks, number 1, running 25 right, 30 Charlie, contact ground.
Contact ground, 30 Charlie.